Beshem Hashem Nasir Nastiach. This morning, Kolel Chasot, we going to learn another lesson from Sidur Kol Sion, based on teachings of Hacham Ben Sion Musafi Shalita. And this is in continuation of Tevilah, going to mikveh and the preparations before Shabbat. ישתדלל לטבול לפחות 5 טבילות. A person needs to try to do at least 5 dippings, right? When he goes to mikveh. האחת, להעביר רוח טומאה מעליו. Number 1, to remove the טומאה, the רוח טומאה, the spirit of impurity from himself. And 4 more dippings, כנגד 4 מיתות בית דין. 4 more dippings corresponding to 4 ways that beit din would punish a Yehudi. ויועיל לו לכפרה. And going to mikveh helps a person for kapara, to seek forgiveness, be as a kaper, right? Right? And Harab Ben Sion Musafi Shalita says that his father, Umori Abi Zal Shamati Sheit Baddel Yud Zain Tevilot, he heard from his father that he did 17 Tevilot. Wow, 17. Why 17? Kemispar Mikveh. That is in corresponding to the gematria, the gematria of mikveh b'mispar qatan, not the mispar gadol. Okay. V'chen ka'as, also ka'as imakolel. Ka'as imakolel would be. Oh, it's not 17, sorry. That is 16. By the way, Shlomo, this is also what Harav Eliyahu Taneli Shalita holds. To do 16 times mikveh. Right? V'chen haya noheg. That's what his minhag was. V'yesh tevilot. Now we have to mention this. If there is a big line, then it's not so pashut, is not so understand, it's not nice that there's a whole line and a person is doing 16 times. Maybe he should only do 5 times in that moment. Or some way, or there is another way of doing that a person goes under the water and then he brings his finger up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Right? So doing that 16 times. Right? Hen achad la'avir ruach hatumah. The kavanah should be first to remove the ruach hatumah. Second, right, letaqen ka'as, and the chamesh tevilot should be first to remove the impure spirit. Number 2, to fix the anger. If a person has the issues with his temper, right, and he needs to have in mind, obviously, we all go through that nisayon. Shalishit, Livshot bigdei achol ma'anefesh, to remove the weekday clothing, right? And now he is going to receive spiritual clothing, preparing for Shabbat, right? Urevi'it, and the 4th one, livshot me'alav haruach shehaita shore alav b'mei achol, also to remove the ruach that has rest upon him, a weekday ruach. The ruach, the weekday spirit should be removed. And the 5th mikveh, the 5th dipping should be, the kavanah should be lekabel tosefet kedushat Shabbat, to accept the tosefet, the extra kedusha that we receive, the holiness that we receive from Shabbat. So these are This is another lesson of how to prepare by going to mikveh. Baruch Adonai Leolam. Amen. Amen.